Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your home. Today we will be studying our chapter 1 of SP subject, that is bank correspondence. In that chapter, we will learn introduction, bank correspondence, request letters written to bank, and complaint letters written to the bank. Some are the examples regarding the bank correspondence, how an individual communicate with the bank through the letters. We will understand what is, first of all, we will understand what is bank. Bank is an integral part of trade and commerce, economic dealings and financial management of any nation. बैंक एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल अदा करता है हमारे कॉमर्स में, पूरी इकोनॉमी डीलिंग्स में एंड फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शन को डील करने के लिए. सो बैंक इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हाउ दे आर फंक्शनिंग दैट वी विल लर्न. From the common man to big industrialist, from actor to politician, every person takes the services of banks. यानी एक कॉमन मैन से लेके बड़े से बड़े इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट और पॉलिटिशियन भी अपनी बैंक से सर्विसेज लेते हैं. बैंक उनको सर्विसेज देते हैं. बैंक हमारे लिए किस तरह से काम करता है. बैंक परफॉर्म्स टू मेन फंक्शंस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे प्रोवाइड फाइनेंस and to receive money. Banks also provide, other than that, bank also provide other modern facilities such as online and mobile banking facilities. Now, how we will communicate with the bank and what is the bank correspondence in this chapter. Any communication with bank should take place in a simple style, precise language and in a prescribed format. जो भी हम बैंक से हम कम्युनिकेट करते हैं इन द रिटन फॉर्म should be simple style and precise language should be clear that they can understand and in a prescribed format. Main thing is that secrecy should be maintained as it deals with the money matters, because as we are dealing with the bank regarding the financial matters, so secret should be maintained. In the bank correspondence, the account number which we are having and the type of account means which type of account we are having, whether it is saving or current account, should be clearly mentioned in the correspondence. And if we are writing about the amount should be clearly mentioned. It is written in the figures and as well as in the words. Normally communication with bank take place for the following reasons. How we are dealing with the banks, for the what are the reasons. Suppose we have to open the account, so as we go to the bank and they will not open the account, we have to give some written formalities. So regarding that, we have to write a letter to the bank to open the account. Some other things should be that letter written to the stop payment of the check. चेक की पेमेंट हमको स्टॉप करनी है. फॉर दैट वी हैव टू राइट द लेटर टू द बैंक. And if we want to get the overdraft, then also we write the letter written to close an account due to any reason. If we want to close the account and to open the demat account, nowadays share market transaction if we want to do, then for that we have to open the demat account in the bank. And other letters regarding that, if we want to get the educational loan and locker facilities, drawing attention towards these. Some are the complaint letters we do write to the banks. From that, maybe in the error in the passbook, we are getting some errors from the bank in our passbook, so that we have to deal with the written form so that they can understand easily. Here are the some examples of the letters. I have given some examples. See, these are the examples given in your textbook also. First letter is our letter to open demat account. Just look at the format first. Who is writing a letter? Manoj B. Dave is the writer. He has written his address and phone number to the left hand side. His address is on right hand side. To whom they are writing the letter? So we are writing the letter to the manager, right? मैनेजर कौन सी बैंक का है? जो बैंक में हमारा अकाउंट है उस बैंक का पूरा सरनेम, सॉरी उसका एड्रेस. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट द सब्जेक्ट फॉर व्हाट वी आर राइटिंग द लेटर. इट इज़ टू ओपन अ डीमेट अकाउंट. हमको डीमेट अकाउंट खुलवाना है, राइट? सो हियर इट इज़ रिटन द कंटेंट. How we will start the letter? I have held a saving account so and so in your bank for the last 6 years. Bank has introduced various new schemes and customer oriented services, as a result of which reputation of the bank in Lonavala area has increased. Now the online banking and demat account opening campaign launched by your bank has received a good response. So I also desire to open a demat account for trading in share market. I want to connect my demat account with my saving account number so and so with your bank. For that, I want to tell you, we can only open the demat account if we are having a saving account in that bank. And demat account we are opening for only share market purpose, for share transaction. So here we are requesting to the bank to open the accounts, and we will fill the formalities. That is, I enclose a duty filled in demat form, 2 photographs, photocopies of license. What we require to open the demat account is PAN card, check for ₹500 we have to deposit first, then to activate the demat account. As soon as the demat account is open, I request you to send the password and customer ID so that I can operate the demat account. That's it. That is the letter to open the demat account. Another letter is to stop payment check number. To somebody we have given a check that is we are not having so much balance in our account, so we can request the bank to stop the payment of check number. So how we will written as, I have held a saving bank account so and so with your bank for last 12 years. This letter is written to confirm telephonic talk in the morning. The check number so is so and so in written the एंड ड्रॉन ऑन द स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. जो भी हमने चेक में फॉर्म जो डिटेल्स हमने फिल की है वो हमको बैंक को रिटर्न फॉर्म में बताना है और उनको रिक्वेस्ट करना है. इस तरह से ये बैंक के लेटर्स होते हैं. थर्ड वन इज़ टू गेट अ डेबिट कार्ड और एटीएम फैसिलिटी. एटीएम लेने के लिए भी हमको लेटर लिखने पड़ते हैं. तो these are the letters. If you find any kind of difficulty, you can mag me on any time. Thank you.